Here are my three closing remarks. First point, embrace age as an advantage. Like I stated before, your life and your work experience can contribute to better decision making and stakeholder management in a project setting. Point number two, network strategically. You need to start building these professional networks. Like I said, get on LinkedIn if you're not on LinkedIn and start connecting with people and building that relationship. Find a mentor or a coach. This can help you get better insight because you may realize, hey, I would like to really get into project management, but then after maybe doing a pro bono project or maybe after talking with a coach and mentor, you may say, I don't know if this is something I really do, or you may get so excited that this is the thing I have to do, and you just need the tool set and skill set to help you get there. And the last and final thing, address age-related concerns proactively. Like I said, some employers may have concerns about it, but you need to be able to put together an elevate pitch that you can properly articulate what your plans is for a long-term growth there.